Hey guys, showing you this Sweetfull portable neck fan. It's a 360-degree cooling bladeless personal fan. So it's no hair twisting, 4000 milliampere USB rechargeable wearable fan for travel. So this is unboxing, manual, and the fan itself. So let's just take it out and see. So it's a leafless portable neck fan, and there's a charging cable that you can use to charge this fan and just take it anywhere you want. And this is a 360-degree surrounding airflow cooling. So let me just show it to you. So you can see like all this bladeless window here for the airflow from the side as well. Let's suck up the air from the side and then just release it on the top, so we can just charge it and see. So once charged, you can just press this on and off button and then we can see. So the air flow is really good. I can see the strong 3-level adjustable wind, and also there is a cool all day one charge, so you can just charge it for once and you can enjoy it the whole day with a lightweight and easy to carry. So once I put it, it's a flexible thing as well. So of course you can adjust it based on your neck, and it's a little flexible material. So the vibrant good color and the design ensures look like a headphones. So once you can wear, you can feel it's lightweight, so there's no pressure on the neck. And then the fan quality and the speed is good, that I can feel the air on my sides as well. So it's pretty nice, good for summer. You're going outside and you can just keep it and have fun with the fan, with this flexible thing.